Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, Just Do It Yourself Now. Today I will show you my outdoor shower. As you can see, it's a good looking shower, right? And it's working perfectly. There you go. If I switch it, working fine, right? But that wasn't the case just a couple of hours ago. You want to see how I fix it? Come with me.
Yeah, this was a solar shower, but at some point I don't know why the container that holds the water blow up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open that container because I don't gonna use anymore the solar capabilities, and then let's see what is inside, but because right now I not even know. Now I know what we have. This is a pipe. We have the inlet here. The water goes from there up to the shower part, and we have those two holes, and those holes are the ones that allow the exchange of water between the cold water and the hot water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover those two holes, and that's it. From now on I'm just gonna be using the cold water, but I don't care because I live in Florida. Then having only cold water is not a big problem for me. Besides the big two main holes, we have two more, and they are directly in the pipe. We will be covering those two as well. Okay, let's use an unconventional strategy, to be honest, to cover the big holes. Let's get a couple of stainless steel screws. We will be screwing those screws on the holes. I'm just going to be wrapping those screws with a little bit of Teflon, as you will be doing in any plumbing job, and that will do it.